Hair nanoplastica or nanoplastia is a revolutionary hair restoration and straightening treatment that uses nanotechnology to penetrate deep into the hair shaft. Unlike traditional hair treatments that only coat the surface, it repairs the hair from the inside out using organic acids, amino acids, and oil. And here I'm discussing about the primary benefits of nanoplastica. It is completely safe and have completely clean ingredients. It leaves you a long-lasting smoothness. It deeply structural repair. It gives you a deeply structural repair. Leaves you with a high shine and softness. If you want to grab the opportunity and to go with any kind of hair treatment, so here we are at Lee Art to Style Unisex Studio. We are providing you with 40% offer till 26 January. You can come and avail the services, and please book your appointments prior for a hassle-free treatment. Thank you.